calling all university students. Unlock your writing potential with our English Writing Preparatory Course for university students. Are you ready to take your academic writing to the next level? Look no further. Our English Writing Preparatory Course is tailor-made for university students just like you. With our comprehensive course derived from Cambridge University, UK, you'll acquire the indispensable skills to excel in your written assignments, final year projects, and thesis. From structuring your ideas to crafting compelling arguments, we'll guide you every step of the way. Unleash your writing potential, say goodbye to writer's block. Our English writing course empowers you with essential writing strategies and techniques, honed specifically for academic contexts. Express your thoughts with clarity, eloquence, and confidence, leaving a lasting impression on professors and peers alike. We understand that everyone has different learning preferences and constraints. That's why we offer both physical face-to-face and online group classes, ensuring accessibility for all SPM graduates and university students. Join our vibrant learning community, connect with fellow aspiring writers, and grow together. We provide face-to-face teaching in Kuala Lumpur Cheras Sunway Velocity, Cheras Jalan Pil Sunway Velocity, and Selangor Cheras Selatan, BTHO, Balakong C180, Cheras Traders Square. By enrolling in our English writing course, you'll gain a competitive edge in your studies, enhancing your prospects for success in higher education and beyond. Discover the power of effective communication and unlock a world of opportunities. Don't miss this chance to transform your writing prowess. Spaces are limited, so sign up today for our English writing course and embark on a journey towards excellence.